To insert mop in Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, you will need to get a water tank if you're planning on using a mop. Before we attach it, we need to take this water tank, as I said, and fill it up with water. You can insert the water in this gap right here. Simply open it and then get the water in. After that, we need to attach the water tank to our robot. So put it on front. As you can see, there's this area right here. We can then take the tank and align it so that the button right here is on the top. That way we'll be able to insert it and just push it in until you hear a click. To remove it, you can always click on this button and lift it out. So now that we have our water tank inserted, we need to take the mop. Make sure that the mop is on the pod itself, and also if you washed your mop, you can just remove it. It's attached using the wrapper right there. When you have the mop in your hands, then take a look on those two slots right here and align it like that. It should slide in, then you can push until you hear click, like that. That way you'll be able to insert mop into this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.